Welcome back to the channel, the home of Zontes tutorials, strip downs, maintenance magic, and all the things the factory mentions. If you're new here, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon because today, I need you to indulge me. I don't normally rant, but the 2026 Zontes 703R has pushed me into full-on gripe mode. So here's the deal. You know I always show every feature, every benefit, and exactly how to strip your ride so you can do your own maintenance without needing a spiritual awakening. And every bike, every scooter, every machine ever made comes with a toolkit. Usually a sad little black bag with 2 screwdrivers and, if destiny smiles upon you, a plug spanner that looks like it was made from recycled cutlery. They're normally easy to find, even if they're basically useless. But the 703R, oh no. Zontes decided to get creative. I was watching the factory video to see where the toolkit lives, and to my absolute shock, horror, and mild emotional trauma, they've hidden it. Properly hidden it. Buried it behind fairing parts. You have to dismantle the bike just to reach this legendary pouch of disappointment. It's like someone at Zontes said, let's make the toolkit a secret Easter egg. And when you finally get to it, there's nothing worth using. Nothing. A single screwdriver sitting there like it's been abandoned by its family. Whoever made this decision at Zontes was either having a laugh or has already been escorted out of the building with a cardboard box and a polite wave. My advice: leave it there. Let it become a time capsule. In 10 years, some future owner will remove the fairing, discover this lonely little bag, and think they've uncovered ancient treasure. Let them enjoy the disappointment. If you enjoyed this rare moment of me moaning, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Tomorrow we're back to normal with proper tutorials, proper strip downs, and proper Zontes content. Today, I just needed to vent.
I'm coming for the throne.